In this video, I will show you exactly how to explore some clever alternative user layout tricks by utilizing the Help area within your Typeform account. Many users do not realize that the Help section is more than just a place for basic troubleshooting because it actually contains a wealth of creative community solutions. To get started, you will need to find and click on the Help button, which is almost always represented by a familiar question mark icon or a dedicated Help tab. You can typically find this button located in the upper right corner of your screen or tucked away in the navigation dock of your primary workspace. Once you have opened up the Help menu, use the search bar to look specifically for the term workarounds. This specific keyword is the secret to finding peer-to-peer guides that explain how to push the boundaries of the standard interface. Within these search results, you will discover ingenious ways to manipulate font sizes beyond the standard settings to give your form a more custom feel. You will also find instructions on how to stack multiple choices horizontally by cleverly using emojis to guide the eye. One of the most useful tricks you will find is a method to bypass the standard single question per screen format. These advanced guides will show you how to nest logic inside specific welcome pages to create a more compact and streamlined user experience. By following these community-shared tips found right inside the official Help doc, you can transform a standard form into a unique interactive experience that stands out from the rest. It is a fantastic way to customize your layout without needing to write any complex code. Taking the time to browse these community workarounds will give you a significant advantage in design flexibility and functionality for all of your future projects.